In today's video, we are going to cover this TIS, State PCS Consolidation, that is for Bihar. Basically, ये जो करंट अफेयर है ये दिसंबर 2024 का है एंड दिस इज़ फॉर स्पेशली बिहार एग्ज़ाम्स करंट अफेयर जो कि मंथली कंपाइलेशन में आता है. सो right now we are going to discuss these. You can watch these videos for your preparation. It will help you. Let's start. So the first one is credit. Hello everyone. So the first topic related to this is the credit outreach program in Bihar. So we will see first why this is in news, credit outreach program. So recently the Union Finance Minister and Corporate Affairs Minister, both ministers, Union Finance and Corporate Affairs Ministers, distributed 1,121 crore in loans to 50,094 beneficiaries. So Union Finance and Corporate Affairs Minister has distributed loan to 50,294 peoples related to this credit outreach program in Bihar's Madhubani district. तो मधुबनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ये क्रेडिट आउटरीच प्रोग्राम के अंडर 50,294 बेनिफिशियरीज को 1,121 करोड़ रुपीज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए गए हैं. And its key points are highlight of the credit outreach programs are first one is Drone Didi scheme. It's Drone Didi scheme. So Union Finance Minister highlighted the crucial role women play in achieving developed India. So we always know like we are way forward to developed India. So women are also playing vital role or crucial role in developed India. So the first scheme related to developed India will be Drone Didi scheme, that is helping in achieving developed India by 2047. She urges women to participate in government schemes for financial empowerment. For instance, she mentioned the Drone Didi initiative aimed to empowering self-help group SGGs and self-help groups and creating Lakpati Didis SGH members and annual household incomes exceeding Rs 1 lakh rupees. Loan sanction initiative. Loan sanction letter were distributed under program like Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, Prime Minister Employment Generation Program, Kisan Credit, Crop and Animal Husbandry and Fisheries, Stand Up India, PM Swanidhi and PM Vishwakarma Yojanas. Infrastructure and CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD approved 155.84 crore rupees and Small Industries Development Bank of India SIDBI sanctioned the 75.52 lakh for rural road projects. Various banks contributed through CSR activities to improve infrastructure in schools, particularly those for girls. Engagement in Madhubani. So basically engagement in Madhubani is Minister visited the Mithila Chitrakala Sansthan, interacting with artisans specializing in Mithila paintings, terracotta art. Moving on this, another copies of Constitution in Maithili and Sanskrit recently released on Samvidhan Divas were distributed to the attendees. Minister toured around 25 stalls showcasing local product and handicraft financed by bank. Ayushman Bharat card distribution. Senior citizen age 70 and above received Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Arogya Yojana cards during the program. Let's learn Drone Didi initiative. What is Drone Didi initiative? It was launched by PM on 13th November 2023 after his interaction with women beneficiaries, the Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra. It aims to provide Drone Didi drones to 15,000 women self-help group in next 2 years to be rented out to farmer for agriculture purposes. The center will provide each SHG identified a subsidy up to 80% towards the cost of a drone or a maximum of 8 lakh rupees. It is expected to generate an additional income about Rs 1 lakh per head for them. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana about PMMY was launched by Government of India in 2015. The PMMY provide collateral free institutional loans up to 10 lakh for small business enterprises. Funding provision. It is provided by member lending institutions, MLIs, Scheduled Commercial Bank, SDCs, regional rural banks, non-banking financial companies, and microfinance institutions. Types. The loan can be used for income-generating activities in the manufacturing, trading, services sector, and agriculture. There are 3 loan product under PMMY. That is first is Shishu, that is for lower, like 50,000 up to 50,000. Second one is Kishore. The loan will be around 50,000 to 5 lakhs, and the third one is Tarun. Loan granted will be 5 lakh to 10 lakh rupees. Next, Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. The Government of India approved the introduction of a credit-linked subsidiary program called Prime Minister Employment Generation Program (PMEGP) in 2008 for generation of employment opportunities through establishment of micro enterprises in rural as well as urban areas. It allows entrepreneurs to set up factories or units. It is central sector scheme administered by the Ministry of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises (MOSME). The implementing agency of national level is Khadi and Village Industries Commission (KVIC), a statutory organization under an administrative control of the Ministry of MSME. And another point is about Kisan Credit Card. About this scheme was introduced in 1998 for providing adequate and timely credit of support from the banking system under a single window with flexible and simplified procedure to farmers for their cultivation and other needs like purchase of agriculture inputs such as seed, fertilizer, pesticide and draw cash for their production needs. The scheme was further extended for the investment requirement of farmer with allied non-farm activities in the year 2004. In the budget 2018 and 19, government announced the extension of facility of KCC to fisheries and animal husbandry farmer to help them to implementing agencies. Implementing agencies, commercial bank, regional rural bank, RRB, small financial bank, cooperative banks. Stand Up India scheme. About Stand Up India scheme was launched by the Ministry of Finance in April 2016 to promote entrepreneurship at grassroots level, focusing on economic empowerment and job creation. This scheme has been extended to up to the year of 2025. Purpose: promote entrepreneurship among women, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes category, provide loan to greenfield enterprises in manufacturing, services or trading sector activities allied to agriculture, facilitate bank loan between 10 lakh and 200 lakh, at least one SC/ST borrower and at least one woman borrower per branch of the scheduled commercial banks.